how to recover deleted files on Windows and Android. Have you ever accidentally deleted a file and regretted it later? Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. Fortunately, deleted files aren't entirely gone and can be recovered. Here's a step-by-step guide through which you can restore the deleted files easily. To recover the deleted files on Windows, you can check the following places where you'd be able to restore them. Check the recycle bin. The first place to look for deleted files is the recycle bin. You can find it on your desktop or in the File Explorer navigation pane. Restore or delete. Select the files you want to restore or delete permanently. You can also empty the entire recycle bin or restore all items. OneDrive Recycle Bin. If you have OneDrive synced with your Windows files, check the OneDrive Recycle Bin on the web or in the cloud icon on your taskbar. Change Recycle Bin settings. To change the 30-day default retention period, go to Settings, then go to Accounts, open Windows Backup, now open OneDrive folder syncing. Recovering deleted files on Android, Google Photos. If you use Google Photos, tap Library, then go to Trash to find recently deleted files. You can restore or permanently delete them. Files by Google. Use the Files by Google app to find deleted files in the trash folder. Select a file to restore or delete it permanently. Samsung apps. If you have a Samsung phone, use the Samsung Gallery or My Files app to recover deleted files from the recycle bin. Google Drive web version. Go to Google Drive on the web and click on the trash link in the navigation pane. Restore or delete. Select files to restore or permanently delete them.